In this video, I will show you how to configure your site details. For that, you need to log into your Kajabi admin panel, and then on the left-hand panel near bottom, click Find Settings and click on it. On the next screen, find Site Details and click on it. And here, under the General, put your site title. For me, it is Premium Kajabi Template, Templates and Services. Then for the domain, I'm currently using my Kajabi subdomain, but we can use our custom domain. That also we will cover in our next video, how to set your custom domain. Then support email, support phone number, language, text direction. Most probably you do not need to change it because by default it is left to right. And if you need your website to be right to left, you can select it, but you do not need to do anything here. For the home page, I recommend that you actually, keep it as it is. That means show the template home page. But if you want to show a specific landing page as your home page, then you need to click show a landing page and then find the landing page that you created. But as I said, I recommend that you actually keep it simple, like show the template homepage. Then the branding, you will upload your logo and the favicon. The favicon is a small icon just like this, and it is important because it will keep your branding intact throughout the site. Then the colors, here you can create a color palette that you will be frequently using throughout editing your website. So it is really handy if you select it here. That means you will find those colors while editing your website. Then this section, it is all about you. You need to upload your headshot here, your name, title, and a short bio. Then page script. Here you will put your site tracking code like Google Analytics code. And if you are not sure whether you need it or not, that means you most probably do not need it. Then SEO and social sharing. What this section actually does is whenever you share your website link to any social medias, they actually show some information about that link. Those information comes from this specific area. So add a page title, page description, and a shareable image. The next section is Kajabi branding. You can keep it disable, and that is also good. Anyway, so once you are happy with all the changes, all you need to click the Save Changes. And that concludes configuring your site details.